Hi guys! So marami tayong mga nakitang posts sa Facebook about buying and selling their PIN AI tokens. Some people are offering 10 pesos per token, 8 pesos, 5 pesos. Different people, different rates, okay? But I don't suggest you to sell your PIN AI tokens at this early stage because it might worth a lot in the future. Although the TG is not yet announced, we don't know the exact date yet. The PIN AI team hasn't announced or talked about the TGE. PIN AI tokens were already distributed. I think there will be no distribution this month. Kung meron man, maybe sa season 2 airdrops ng PIN AI if meron. Kasi ang dami guys dito nakakuha ng over 1,000, over 2,000 PIN AI allocations. At yung iba naman sa inyo ay napakakunti lang like 100 or 200. Remember, PIN AI team has raised like $10 million funding. That was in September 2024. Almost a year na rin natin ginagrind itong si PIN AI. That's why don't ever sell your tokens for just 5 pesos, 8 pesos. Okay? Kasi di natin sure baka mas mataas yung price ng isang token during the TGE. Just keep your PIN AI tokens, huwag niyong isi-sell. Although hindi pa naman talaga siya transferable. Kasi guys, kapag nag-sell kayo ng PIN AI tokens ninyo, dalawa lang pwedeng mangyari. Either makapag-sell kayo sa napakamurang halaga or may scam kayo kasi marami ngayon mga scammers, P2P scammers, lalo sa Facebook. Natuto na tayo kasi ang dami na nating nabentang tokens in the past at nalugi tayo kasi mataas yung rates sa TGE or napakabarat lang talaga ng ibang buyers. Maraming nagsisibentahan na. So ngayon ay meron tayong 595 na PIN AI tokens and some of you were even allocated more PIN AI tokens. Sa mga hindi nakakaalam at sa mga mahilig dyan mag-refer, meron din kayo guys makuha sa referral program. As you can see, I have 295. Kung masipag nga kayo mag-invite ng mga friends ninyo dati, for sure malaki yung makuha ninyo sa referral rewards. Sa mga nag-i-invite naman dyan, please tigilan nyo na ang pag-invite mga friends ninyo, kaloka kayo. Kasi nga, tapos na nag-distribute yung team. Okay? Wag na po tayo mag-invite kasi kawawa naman yung may invite natin unless magkakaroon ng Season 2 airdrop for PIN AI. That is when you start to refer your friends again. Okay? Just make sure na mag-visit kayo guys sa Twitter nila kasi doon lahat ina-update ng team yung about sa TGE or about sa airdrop distribution. Hindi nga kayo guys pumunta or sumali Telegram group ng AI, and if you have questions you can easily ask in the group PIN AI Global. Ayan guys, so you can ask about PIN AI. At dito rin sila nagpo-post ng mga recent updates about the project. So mas madali kayo makapagtanong ng questions ninyo dito sa Telegram. And yeah, that's all for today guys. Just a short update about PIN AI, buying and selling your allocations. And I want to see you next time. Thank you for watching. Bye!